Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can apply for a job at Costco online. So first of all, you need to come here on careers.costco.com. Now over here, you just have to simply search for the keyword for which you want to basically looking for the job. Then you need to simply provide your country in which you are looking for the job, and then you just have to hit the search button. Now over here you just have to simply take a look at these types of jobs that are currently available. So you need to click on that particular job in which you are interested. Now you need to click on the option of read more, and then you can just simply review the job description, the requirements, the location and the work schedule. Now if you want to apply for the job, then you need to simply just click on the option of the apply button. Afterwards you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to first of all sign in, and then you need to complete the online application process. You need to also enter your contact information, the work history, your education and any other details that is requested during the application. You need to also upload your resume if the position asks for one, and then you need to review all the information carefully before submitting your application. So after you submit it, you can contact the Costco location that you have applied to if you need an update on your application. Costco also recommends applying again after 90 days if you haven't heard back, because online applications expire after that particular period. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.